Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic, and that is Microsoft Clarity tool. Basically it is a tool that will provide us heat maps and website recordings which can help us to see how visitors are interacting with our website, and with the help of that we will able to optimize our PPC campaigns to get good results. So what is Microsoft Clarity? Basically it is a tool that need to be implemented in the backend of the website, and after that it will track all the visitors that are coming to the website from various platforms, whether organically or paid platform. So in today's video I will let you know how to implement the same in the website backend and how to use the same. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Microsoft Clarity software for our PPC advertisement. So as you know, Microsoft Clarity tool will provide us the free heat maps and session recording, which we can use to analyze like how audience is engaging with our website. And with the help of that we will able to know how people are engaging, what things we are missing in our website, and where we are lacking. Is it is a call to action where we are lacking, or something else, or there is any other reason why people are not converting. So with the help of this Microsoft Clarity tool we can do much things, and accordingly we can make the changes in our website, in our campaign, so that we will able to start get results. Okay, so let's start with the website. First of all, we need to have a website, a backend uh, access, because without backend access we are not able to implement the code that Microsoft Clarity will provide us, and we need to implement that code in the backend. So without backend we are not able to do that. So I have already the backend detail at my end. I just need to log in it, and once I log in it, then we are on the dashboard of our WordPress backend, and here as you can see we have plugin section, and in the plugin section we need to you can say add a plugin with the name of header and footer injection. As I have already added this plugin, let me show you. Yeah, this one. Yeah, header and footer pod. You need to uh, install this plugin. After that you will go to the setting option, and then you can have the option of header and footer section. You just need to click on that, and then in the other case you have to log in your Microsoft Clarity account, as I have already account in the same. So you just need to create an account, and then it will provide you a code that need to be implemented in the backend of the website. After that you can see we need to log in into the account, and then as I have already created multiple projects, so you just need to create a new project for your website and put the website name here and here, and then which industry you are dealing with. As our industry is B2B services, like our industry is e-commerce services. So let me find if the option we have in this. If don't, then you can choose the other one as well. Add this new project, and after that once you add this new project, it will give you three options: install the code manually, install using npm, and install using third-party platform. So I will suggest you use the manual method. Copy the click on the copy of keyword, and then copy this code, and after that you can go to the same section where we have already implemented the code, You just need to paste it here, and then you just need to save it. If you are using a WordPress backend, if you are using some other backends, you can go to the head section of that backend and put that code in the head section between head tags. Okay. So after that, you just need to you can say wait for at least 5 to 6 hours to uh, and once the code is start working, you will see the dashboard like this. Okay. And once the code is working correctly and we have start getting sessions and heat maps in our Microsoft Clarity account, the account will be look like this, and we can see the recordings. As you can see, we have recording option, heat map options, which we need to use to analyze how the people how our audience is engaging with our website. We just need to click on the, like, if you are able to see, we have one recording here, and the person is coming from Portugal, and his user ID is this, and they have done 16 clicks. They have you can say they have landed on 5 landing page. They have changed 5 landing pages, and the duration of that person is 1 minute 60 seconds. So yes, with the help of this tool, we are able to know how people are engaging with the website, what they are doing. As you can see, a video is running, and we are able to see how they have been uh, like engaged with our website, and then accordingly we'll see the improvement. Because if we are able to know how people are engaging, if they are going to different pages, it means our website is built good, and we have that quality in our website to convert the customer easily. And if they are facing some error in our website, so that will be recorded here, and we can see that and make the changes accordingly, so that our user will not get that error again. And we also have the heat map option as well, where, as you can see, on which landing page people are running the most. We can see through it the heat map, like people have scrolled this page, and they have stopped in this particular you can say where the heat map is showing at this particular point. They are like most of the time they are on this particular point. So with the help of this, we have the adoption, how they are engaging with their website. So with the help of this tool, you are able to know how to like how what kind of changes we need to make in our website, so that we will able to get results from this thing. And with the help of that, you can increase the conversion in your PPC advertisement, because now you are able to know if a person land on our page, they are satisfied or not. If they are not satisfied, then you can pause your like PPC campaigns for a while and make the changes in the website, and then again run the campaign. So this is the main you can say use of our Microsoft Clarity software for your PPC advertisement. You are able to know how people are engaging with your website, if they are satisfied, if they are not. Because if you are not able to know they are satisfied or not, you just waste your budget on that landing page that is not converting well, and you just waste your budget, lots of dollars wasting on that, and lots of dollar and time waste on that particular landing page. But now you have this tool. Please use this and see how they are interacting, and accordingly make the changes in the campaign. So I think now you're able to know how we use the Microsoft Clarity tool. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.